Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might be wondering how to securely move your Polkadot tokens from Revolut to a Tangem wallet. Today, I'm going to walk you through this step-by-step process. It's super straightforward, but always remember, we're dealing with digital assets, so double-check everything to keep your funds safe. First things first, make sure you have Polkadot in your Revolut account. Open the Revolut app, head to the crypto section, and verify your balance. If you don't have any, you'll need to buy or transfer some in first. Next, get your Tangem wallet ready. If you haven't set it up yet, download the Tangem app on your phone or access it via your hardware wallet. Once you're in, navigate to the wallet address section for Polkadot. Copy this address carefully. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so no typos allowed. Now, back in Revolut, go to your Polkadot holdings and select the Send or Withdraw option. Paste the Tangem wallet address into the recipient field. Enter the amount you want to send, and don't forget to check the network fees. Revolut might use a specific blockchain network for Polkadot, so ensure it matches what Tangem supports to avoid any issues. Before you hit Confirm, review all the details one more time. This includes the amount, the address, and any fees. Once you're sure, go ahead and authorize the transaction. You'll probably need to use biometric verification or your PIN for security. After that, sit tight and wait for the transaction to process. It could take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion in 2025. Once it's done, open your Tangem wallet and check if the Polkadot has arrived. If everything looks good, you're all set. A quick tip: always use the official apps and enable two-factor authentication. Also, keep an eye on gas fees, they can fluctuate. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. See you in the next video.